G'day YouTube. Here you can see the male bowerbird. Now this is a young male, and for the past 16 or 20 years I've had a bower over here that I could bring people to and show them the bower. About a month ago I was fairly horrified to discover, when I came over here, that the display ground, which is normally light coloured straw, it was absolutely covered with the brown structural sticks which used to make up the bower, and the bower used to be about knee high. So I've been worried for a month, not quite knowing what was going on, and thinking that maybe a cat had got the old bowerbird. But then I realised that bowerbirds don't live much longer than 16 years. So a bower that's been in service for 16 to 20 years, he's probably died of old age. And that young fella over there, he's only just finished molting. I think a fortnight ago he was half black and half green, and a week before that he was green with a few black spots. He's just started raising the structural ribs or supports of the walls of his bower. That's what those sticks are over there. They don't look like much, but they are just beginning to show where the walls are going to be. And there are still plenty of blue toys, which he will no doubt make his selection from. Actually, last time I was over here, there were a couple of blue clothes pegs, and I'm not seeing the clothes pegs. So perhaps some of the toys have been pinched by another bowerbird from somewhere else. Ideally, in another month, I'll be able to show you a finished bower in its first season. And surprisingly, this bower is really close to the boundary fence. It's sort of nestled in the edge effect. You know, I suppose it's got New England funnel webs to protect its northern boundary. But yeah, that's my local bower, built by the birds who like blue things. And it's not far from my place, actually. Not far at all. And there he is, the male bowerbird, Satin, with a white beak. He's been having a bit of a bath in the kangaroo's shiny drinking bowl. Haven't you, eh? Yes, well, I have been showing your bower, such as it is, to my subscribers. Ideally, you'll build a real good one. Okay, and I'll keep feeding you and the missus and kids. See? Shiny, shiny. Every good hillbilly should have bowerbirds living close, surely. This much is self-evident. Ciao.